Hello, this is Dr. Greg Gary coming to you on the 17th of February in the year 2021, bringing you Gold Standard Partners. First, a little bit about myself. I have a degree in economics from Queen's University and a degree in education. I love teaching. I went into the Canadian military, did the officer leadership training program and flew airplanes, and then wrote a book called Fired Up for Life, How to Get and Stay Motivated, and very proud to have a doctorate in theology from Primus University. And what I'm doing right now is I am pouring everything that I've done in my life, every bit of knowledge, skills, and attitude into this entity. And I believe that by the end of the presentation, you'll understand why I'm doing that. So we're here to talk about Gold Standard Partners and G999. That is the cryptocurrency associated with GSP. So first, some preamble about the economic state of affairs in the financial markets right now. Here's a article. Look at the very bottom here where it says, highly respected financial researcher Jesse Felder warns us that these twin dangers of market crash and higher inflation actually could happen. Now, I have been teaching for almost a decade now and warning people about the fiat currency system. Now that is, fiat means currency not backed by gold. And that's what's been going on. We're in the midst of the everything bubble, as it says in the bottom, and investors beware. Speaking of investors, history shows us through the leveraged speculation in equities chart here that just before every crash, leveraging rockets. Now look at, I put the square around this last bit here in 2020, and we're at the same place as we were just before 2008, just before 2000, and you can study history and prove this out. Fed dismisses worries about inflation and pledges to keep rates low. They have to. They're in a corner. There's no policy now that can rescue this system. Now look at this. Look at the very bottom of this chart. It says U.S. Consumer Price Index, inflation, at 1.4%. Are you kidding me? Look at how much these commodities has risen. And look at the very top. 683% Ethereum, 363% Bitcoin. Gold had a great year at 17%, but look at these cryptocurrencies. Are you getting a bit of the message here? Here's the question. Are people losing faith and confidence in the fiat currency system? And the answer is yes, all over the world. Look at this. This is from Kenya. Our decision to shift to Bitcoin is both tactical and logical. Our currency has always been the punching bag for the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, which always claims that the Kenya shilling is overvalued. This has led to too much pressure on the Kenyan shilling, and this has a negative effect on the economy. We are losing too much simply because someone at the IMF woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Bitcoin will put an end to this. PayPal users in the US can now use the platform to buy Bitcoin. Here they are bringing it to the United Kingdom. Visa may add cryptocurrencies. I predict they absolutely will. MasterCard will let merchants accept payments in crypto this year. Bitcoin to come to America's oldest bank. Are you getting the message, ladies and gentlemen? I don't care where you're at in your life right now, how much or how little. These are headlines that you need to pay attention to. And the creme de la creme of announcements in the last while was this. Tesla allocates 7.7% of the company's gross cash into Bitcoin at a total value of $1.5 billion. This caused Bitcoin to spike. And now companies like Apple, people are speculating, is Apple next? They have huge cash reserves. This was announced a couple weeks ago. The market cap for cryptocurrencies is over $1 trillion. Here's a chart that shows that it's the number 19 market cap in value. That's what market cap is. Currency, look at it at the very bottom. Number 19 is Bitcoin and rising. I want you also to know that these cryptocurrencies are not just about financial transactions through the blockchain. You're going to see, and you can stop the video and study this chart, that there are a host of applications that the Bitcoin can be used for. Very powerful technology. Well, let's get into it a little bit deeper. So that's the preamble. Let's talk more now about Gold Standard Partners and the G999. Now, here is a disclaimer. I'd like you to read that in case I talk about any financial numbers. First 60 days of Gold Standard Partners, we are tearing it up. 67,000 partners have come into the system, 10 million USD in turnover, 6 million paid to those involved in propagating the business. Listed on 8 exchanges, more coming. Lots of contests and promotions. We just launched a DeFi savings program. And what else is coming? Cars, gold, and diamonds. Stay tuned for updates on that. So who are we? Who is Gold Standard Partners? Well, we're a blockchain-based referral company. We have the G999 mainnet and ecosystem. You're going to hear that word a lot. We are builders of community. We are all working together to make all ships rise, utilizing our ecosystem. And the goal here is to support the growth of our assets, the G999 coin, and more. Now, why would you get involved? Why would anybody get involved in G999 and Gold Standard Partners? We have a host of reasons. We've got a solid blockchain platform. We have our own trading platform with lots of pairings already and more coming. We are being listed on multiple platforms, 8 so far, and again, more coming. We have a philosophy that we only create products that are needed, and you're going to see that as we show you this presentation today and roll out more products. Transaction speed and privacy are key. Instantaneous transactions, very secure, very fast. Speaking of secure, we have a communications toolkit called GS Telecom, where we have messaging, email services, voice over blockchain, yes, voice over blockchain, and data, documents, pictures, etc., all running through the blockchain, 100% private. That is important to private individuals. It is important to businesses. Something unique about our organization is that we have a deflationary ecosystem. Well, that's juxtaposed with an inflationary ecosystem. The central banks, the governments of the world are printing money mercilessly. And what does that do? It devalues the currency. We're doing the opposite. We are shrinking the number of G999s out there. And on top of that, we are increasing the use. Well, that is a sure formula for increase in price. That's why people are getting involved right now. Number 8, residual income opportunities. Whether you want to help promote the business or just be a customer, doesn't matter. There's lots of ways that you can put your wealth into the system and earn an income residually. It's important to know that our platform is open source. That is, other entities, other developers can come in with their project and run it through our blockchain. And of course, in the cryptocurrency system, we call it the gas to run that is the G999. Again, more use coming. We are you focused. What does that mean? Well, we help you acquire basic and advanced blockchain education. We understand that this is all new to many people, actually to most people. Come into the system and watch our amazing videos and get educated. We help you save and grow your digital assets. We help you protect those assets, trade your digital assets, and develop practical everyday use of those assets through our GS Lifestyle Card. Very exciting. We have a very strong corporate tech team. Joseph Haidt, multimillionaire, has a serial entrepreneur, done very well around the world in the realm of business. Alex Kokendow, who is the Chief Technical Officer. A little more about Joseph, Chairman of the Board, speaks 5 languages. Just a really great guy. Lots of experience in the realm of business. Something very important in this kind of entity is legal and compliance. We put 2 lion heads on either side of that because it's guarding what we're doing here. Number 12, strong marketing and promotions. Our goal is to be number 1. So we've launched a campaign around the world. It started in New York with this video.
How may I help you?
I want to open a staking account.
The chairman awaits you.
Welcome to GSB. Here are your staking options. Are you ready for staking? Now you are ready.
Well, that's a fun video, and I like how it ends. It's the German actress / model breaking open the mold. And that's what we're doing here at GS Partners with this whole platform. We are breaking the mold. Now, what is this picture here? This is Times Square, New York City, busiest place in New York. That is a 6-story high billboard. Look what it says. The future, G999, the future of innovation, encryption technology, and future payment processing, one ecosystem. Wow. Now that's going into major cities around the world. So what do we actually do? Well, we help people get in front of a massive paradigm shift in the world economy and finance. We help people get out of inflation. Yes, get out of inflation, the devaluing currencies, and into an appreciating asset. Our coin just doubled yesterday. We bring cryptocurrency to the masses, making it simple to participate, yes, and profit. And we give you the tools and education to save, protect, grow, and use the digital assets. And here it is again, but we help you buy, sell, spend, save, grow, and earn all in one system. Well, let's talk about the products. We want you to know, we talked earlier about the deflationary model. All the products listed here and more coming run through a deflationary model where the term is burning coins. We are burning coins. We are shrinking the size as the usage increases, and that is exciting. Product listing, GSP products. Digital solutions, we talked about the blockchain, email, text, and voice. We have something called the GS Trade Exchange where you can be, there's the trading pairs, we showed you that earlier, the Blockchain Academy, the coins themselves. The Universal Gold Merchant is going to make it easy for us to transact in crypto and the merchants around the world. Very exciting. I've talked about open source development. We have multiple cards that are coming to assist us in all of this. Passive income opportunities, hard asset, tokenization of gold, silver, and diamonds. You're going to want to learn about that and how you can benefit from that. And there's our famous GS Lifestyle card video coming up soon. One core product is called the Brand Advantage Basic Package. That is the gateway, the door opener to access many of the attributes within the GS Partner system. If you want to get involved at a deeper level, you're going to want to get the Brand Advantage Premier. Here's a chart that shows the comparison, so you decide what your needs are and what you're going to do, and then make your decisions. Here is the GS Market Voucher Program to acquire the G999 asset. So a robot goes out to the platforms to get the best deal for your G999s. Isn't that amazing? It auto deposits it in your account. This is really important now. You control the coins. It's not a hot wallet. They're your coins. A lot of the other platforms, They control the coins, and if something happens or they go away, there goes your asset, not here. Convenience is the key to this whole system. Now, as part of the voucher program, you can win a masternode. A masternode is 750,000 G999 coins that are spitting out coins at the rate of 7.5% per year. I have one of those. Is it ever fun watching those come in every day? Well, you can actually win that. And how do you win it? With every voucher, there's an associated number of tickets. So with the 99, you get 1, 299, 2, 999, 4, and then 10, and then 20 tickets in the draw. And there's 60 of these being given away. This is serious, folks. We also have something called legacy points for an incentive whereby we are giving away homes, cars, and other prizes. I'll show you that in a minute, but you get something called legacy points as well as you acquire these packages. Here is the GS Lifestyle. Now, it looks like a card, and it is a card, and you do get a card, but it's actually your own entire banking ecosystem. Look at the bottom left corner. What do you get here? You get a wallet for cryptocurrencies. You get a wallet for fiat currencies. You get a currency exchange system and a concierge service. Let's watch a short video on how this works.
Introducing the most flexible crypto card in the world. 5 traditional currency accounts, including USD, GPB, EUR, CNY, and JPY. Currency exchange rates better than high street banks. Manage all your crypto and traditional currencies with one simple platform. Add funds to your account via bank transfer, credit and debit card, or crypto proceeds. Spend or withdraw your funds anywhere credit and debit cards are accepted. Exclusive plastic, aluminum, stainless steel, gold-plated, and solid gold cards available. 24/7 global support, 24/7 professional concierge services. Up to 40% discounts on hotel and travel. Instant rewards from high street retailers. Fast delivery to over 100 countries. Order your GS Lifestyle card today.
Wow, isn't that beautiful? Are you excited about getting your GS Lifestyle card/system? Well, here comes GS DeFi, our decentralized savings plan. And what are we doing here? In the world of cryptocurrency, there's something called hodling, and that simply means holding your coins, and you can earn a percentage income on that. Now, if you're not a member, you can earn it at 1.75%. If you get the basic advantage membership, 3.5%, and the premier at 5%. So I guess you're getting the point that getting the premier is a great way to go. Let's talk about the rewards plan. For those who desire to help the world discover gold standard partners, we have 7 ways of getting paid. Starting with the 9-level pay plan. If you bring someone into the system, whatever they acquire, you're going to get 18% commission on that. That is huge. Level 2, that means if the people you brought in, if they bring in some people, friends, family, etc., you'll get a 4% cut of that. And onward it goes, 3%, level 4, 2%, 5, 2, 6, 2. Now watch this. Level 7, it goes up to 3%, 8, 4%, and level 9, 6%. Can you see how you bring your enthusiasm and education to people, friends, family, etc., that you can do very well? All ships will rise. And the very, very exciting part, you get paid in Bitcoin in real time. Yes, as soon as a transaction is made, it's all through the blockchain. It's instantaneous, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the Blockstar pool, where as you become a Blockstar, you can look at the compensation plan to understand this at a deeper level. You're going to share in 4% of the company turnover. We also have something called the community pool, which is focused on customers, 3%, and the infinity pool, 11%, where you can make ranks, and the higher the rank you are, of course, the more income you're going to earn. I talked about the incentive program. I call it Monaco Dreaming, and it's happening this year, actually, in June. What's being given away? 2 dream properties, $1,400,000 in value, dream cars, luxury watches, gold diamonds, $3.5 million in prizes, and a total of 2,000 prizes is going to be given out. Now, here's the big surprise that happened in the last couple days. What if we had an electric AC Cobra and it burned G999s? Would you want to know more about that? Well, get back to the person who brought you to this presentation and ask them, did this company really acquire AC Cobra? You're going to love the answer. Well, let's review the top 10 reasons for acquiring the G999 asset and getting involved with GS Partners. Number 1, there's a real business model for this G999. It's not just speculation and hype. It's not like a lot of cryptocurrencies, it's just a pump and dump strategy. This is real. Number 2, the blockchain technology provides many uses for the G999. Number 3, we have a deflationary model that can only cause a price increase. There's a strong community backing this. Number 5, entry for new buyers is easy with GS Trade and GS Partners. Number 6, the project is backed by Gold Standard Bank that is launching an IPO. You can participate in that. Number 7, your GS Lifestyle MasterCard gives you crypto and fiat spending options. Number 8, you can invest in masternodes and make a passive income. You can stake and save coins and make a passive income. And number 10, you have the opportunity to understand history. Most of us missed the beginning of the Bitcoin revolution. Look at this. This is hilarious. Poor Greg here. I wish I'd kept my 1,700 Bitcoin at 6 cents instead of selling them at 30. Can you imagine if he'd kept all his Bitcoin? Well, the question is the G999 now at where Bitcoin was many years ago? Well, history will tell, but Bitcoin is backed by nothing except the faith and confidence of the people. G999 is a utility coin with a host of products running through a blockchain. What do you think is going to happen? Well, there's 3 kinds of people typically that what they do after a presentation like this. I'm ready to be a partner. Let's go. I'm interested, but I have some questions. No problem. Get them answered. Get back to the person who brought you here and get those questions answered. Hey, I just want to be a customer. Yes, I want to acquire the asset, but just leave me alone. Let's see how it values up. Hey, no problem at all. No problem at all. Next steps. Number 1, get your questions answered. Number 2, register for GS Partners with your sponsor's link. Number 3, get the Brand Advantage benefits package. Decide on which one is best for you. Get your GS Lifestyle account. Get G999 vouchers while the price is low. Number 6, learn how to duplicate and earn a significant income. And I'm talking, this thing is going to explode. So number 6 is a very exciting thing to do. Number 7, join our community, facebook.com groups/partners. And we have other platforms you can get involved into to keep track of what's going on. So, ladies and gentlemen, Dankeschön, gracias, thank you, merci, terima kasih, salamat. Thank you very much for being here today. Get back to the person who brought you to this presentation. God bless you all.